Do you know the essential things every car owner should know? Imagine understanding the basics of car maintenance like the back of your hand. This knowledge isn't just for show. It's a tool that can save you money, time, and even prevent potential accidents. The power of this information is immense, and it's right at your fingertips. A well-maintained vehicle is not only a joy to drive, but it's also a safer one. So, buckle up. Today, we're going to delve into the 10 most important things each car owner should know. First up, know your manual. It's not just a thick book stuffed in your glove compartment for decoration. The manual is a treasure trove of information about your car's unique features and quirks. It's where you'll find the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, which is crucial for keeping your car in top shape. It's also your first point of reference when something seems off. So, take the time to familiarize yourself with it. Your manual is your car's Bible, treat it as such. Second on the list, regular oil changes. Think of oil as the lifeblood of your car's engine. It lubricates the moving parts, reducing friction and wear. Without it, your engine could seize up and fail. But over time, oil breaks down and becomes less effective, which is why it needs regular changing. Most experts recommend every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, so keep an eye on that odometer and schedule your oil changes accordingly. Remember, oil is the lifeblood of your car's engine. Third, watch your tire pressure. It's not just about avoiding a flat tire. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is crucial for both your vehicle's fuel efficiency and your safety on the road. Overinflated tires can lead to decreased traction and increased wear, while underinflated tires can cause poor gas mileage. Plus, both scenarios can lead to less predictable handling and longer stopping distances. So keep a tire pressure gauge handy and check regularly. Remember, proper tire pressure equals safe and efficient driving. Fourth, brake maintenance is key. Regular checks on your car's brake system are not just important, they're life-saving. Ensuring your brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid are in good condition is crucial to safe driving. Ignoring squeaks, squeals, or a spongy brake pedal can lead to more expensive repairs down the line. Worse, it could result in an accident. Remember, your brakes aren't just a tool to stop your car, but a vital part of your safety system. Never ignore your brakes, they're your lifeline on the road. Fifth, monitor your battery life. A simple way to check your car's battery life is by observing the brightness of your headlights. If they are dimmer than usual, it might be a sign of a waning battery. Another symptom of a dying battery could be difficulty in starting your car. Ignoring these signs may lead to a dead battery, leaving you stranded on the road. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. A healthy battery is key to a smooth journey. Sixth, regular car washes are not just for aesthetics. Indeed, many may think of a car wash as a mere beauty treatment for their ride, but it's so much more. Regular washes play a critical role in preserving your car's paint job. Think about it, the dirt, grime, and salt on the road can gradually erode your car's finish over time. And let's not forget about rusting, a real enemy to any vehicle. Regular washes help prevent that. Remember, a clean car is a happy car. Seventh, don't forget to change your air filters. These unsung heroes of your car play a crucial part in keeping out dirt and other particles from your engine. Dirty or clogged air filters can put a damper on your car's performance, reducing fuel efficiency and increasing emissions. It's a good rule of thumb to change them every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions. Remember, a well-maintained air filter promotes a healthy engine. Clean air filters mean a clean engine. Eighth, windshield wipers need attention too. These unsung heroes of your vehicle ensure you have clear visibility when it's raining. They're not just for show, they're crucial safety elements. Over time, they can become worn out, leading to streaks or smears on your windshield. It's recommended to replace them at least once a year, but if you notice any issues before then, don't hesitate to change them. Remember, being able to see the road ahead clearly is critical. Clear vision is paramount for safe driving. Ninth, regular servicing is non-negotiable. It's like your car's routine health checkup. This regular check-in allows professionals to spot potential problems before they become major headaches. Think of it like this. It's always better to catch something in its early stages than deal with a full-blown issue. Regular servicing also plays a crucial role in extending the life of your car, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Remember, regular servicing equals a long and healthy car life. And finally, always have an emergency kit. When you're on the road, it's impossible to predict every scenario that might come your way. For that reason, it's vital to keep an emergency kit in your car. This kit should include basics like a flashlight, a first aid kit, jumper cables, and a multi-tool. You might also consider including a blanket, a whistle, and bottled water. It's about being ready for the unexpected, because the best defense is a good offense. Be prepared for emergencies before they happen. So, those are the 10 essential things every car owner should know, from reading the manual to regular oil changes, maintaining tire pressure, brake maintenance, preserving battery life, washing your car, changing air filters, checking windshield wipers, scheduling regular servicing, and keeping an emergency kit handy. These are all simple yet crucial steps to ensuring your car's longevity and your safety on the road. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to car maintenance. That's it for our top 10 must-knows for every car owner. We hope you found these tips useful and that they help you to keep your car in the best possible condition. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us to create more informative and helpful videos for all our viewers. Also, if you have any additional tips or personal experiences about car maintenance that you'd like to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.